Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do something a little bit different. Now I've only got 14% battery left on my phone and I'm not currently at home and I haven't got a charger. So I'm going to have to film this video fairly quickly and then I'll edit it into a kind of longer video when I get home in a couple of days time. So what I've decided to do, I'm going to go onto eBay, I'm going to filter by auction listings, and I'm going to filter by ending soonest. And then we'll search for 1 ounce silver, and we'll scroll through and we'll put a couple of bids on some items that are ending soon within the next few hours. And if I win them, then obviously we'll unbox them on camera, and we can go through and I can see if I think they're authentic and see if I got a good deal or not. So let's start by searching for 1 ounce silver. Then we're going to change it to auction only. We're going to change the filter location to UK only. And then we're going to sort by ending soonest. And let's have a little look and see what we can find. So I've got 2013 Silver Britannia as the first one. We've got a minute left on this. Fairly nice price, £25. I don't know if that looks authentic. What do you think about that? Look at the Queen's head. Doesn't look like there's enough detail in that. I'm not sure, maybe that's what the 2013 coin looked like. Just doesn't look right to me. Now the first thing I normally do is I look at the feedback. It's only got 149 feedback and I haven't got time to review the feedback because I've only got 51 seconds left. So let's just place a bid on this. I'm just going to blur all this while I log in. Now I'm going to bid £27. We're the highest bidder with 30 seconds left to go. Now I'm not convinced this is authentic. Just because of the Queen's head, it looks like it lacks a lot of detail. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like if we win it in real life. We've got 14 seconds, 13 seconds. 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're determining the winner. Please refresh the page. We won £27. So that's not bad if it's real. Right, let's see what else there is. So that one's just gone, 4 seconds, we missed that one. 4 minutes, that's 4 coins though. Let's keep moving. We've got a maple. I've got plenty of maples. Be nice to get something a little bit more interesting. American Eagle, we've got lots of eagles. 2014 Silver Britannia. Is this from the same? This looks like it's from the same person. See how that's got more detail on the Queen's face? You can actually see like the features of like the mouth, the nose, the eyes. Maybe it's just the lighting on the other one. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, this looks interesting. GoldenEye James Bond coin, 1 ounce fine proof. 10 minutes left, so we've got time to come back to that. 45 though, so it's quite a lot of money for a 1 ounce coin, although it is a proof coin. Philharmonica, 28. 2023. Now normally I don't tend to buy my silver from eBay anymore. I used to, but it just takes too much effort to kind of check that it's the real deal. You've got to do a lot of kind of due diligence on the seller before you buy. So I'd much rather just save that hassle and go direct to a bullion dealer or go to someone like Backyard Bullion who actually verifies it's real before he sells it. Or even on the silver forum, I'd rather buy than eBay, just because I feel like it's a safer option. But this coin here looks quite cool. No Time to Die, James Bond coin series, 1 ounce fine silver. Again, it's a proof coin, £45, obviously a lot for a bullion piece, but for a proof, that doesn't seem like it's too crazy. I really like that design actually. No Time to Die, James Bond on a motorbike. It's a nice box. What mint's it from? Oh, the Perth mint. That's one of my favourite mints. Looks quite good condition. Let's have a bid. I wonder how much this was when it was first sold. I bet it was like 80 odd pounds, maybe 60 odd pounds. I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comment section if you know how much these originally sold for. Let's put a bid in. Let's just do, because no one's bidding on this, so let's just do 46.50. Confirm bid. Are we the highest bidder? Yeah, we're the highest bidder on that. Right, let's bid on one more item, because I don't want to get too carried. Oh, this looks nice. 2014, Year of the Horse. Where's it from? Royal Mint, Lunar Series, £26.99. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks nice. See, again, normally I wouldn't buy from someone that only has 500 feedback. I like to buy from people that have sort of 5,000 positive feedbacks when I'm buying precious metals, just because I don't want to have any risk of it not being legit and having the hassle of trying to get my money back. But for the purpose of this video, it would be nice to order from some kind of lower feedback ratings just to see if it's the real deal. Right, let's put a bid on this. I quite like that. Let's do 28 on that. Confirm. Another bid. So someone's bid higher than that already. So let's do 31. I don't really want to do more than 31 for this coin. Oh, outbid. Right, we're going to do one more. 35. Final offer, 35. Because it's 38 including postage already. No, I'm not going any higher than that. That's a lot of money for a bullion silver coin. It's probably got some collectability side to it, but still, I'm not going to pay too much for a bullion piece. What have we got here? Cobb & Co. $5, 1 ounce silver coin. Now again, look at the person's feedback, how low it is, and look at their picture. It's a Charizard. Is it? No, not Charizard. What's the other one called? Charmander, is it? So normally this is not something I'd even consider looking at, because the feedback rating is too low and it's someone that doesn't specialise in precious metal sales, and there's only one picture as well, so I'm going to come away from that. 2018 Britannia, silver proof, Memorial 999. What's this piece? $9.99 fine silver. It is an ounce. Looks a bit different, doesn't it? HS Victory 2005 silver proof, $9.99 fine silver. From the Raw Mint, it's saying. I don't know why it's saying Raw Mint at the bottom there, because it's definitely not from the Raw Mint. Oh, it is from the Raw Mint. Look, that's the Raw Mint box there. Right, let's do a bid on this one. Let's go in strong. Let's go straight to 28 on this. We're the highest bidder. Right, perfect. So let's move on. We'll do one more, because I think my phone battery is going to die. We've got 11%. I'm glad I started doing this when my phone battery is low, because it's easy to get carried away. That's quite a nice coin. £39 there. It's a lot for a 1 ounce silver piece. That's nice. Look at that. 25 kangaroos, although these are my least favourite bullion coins, but it's nice to see a whole tube of them. Not a bad price. What have we got here? 2008 That looks quite nice, doesn't it? Looks like it's been cleaned on the face though. Looks like it's been scratched a little bit. See, that's the sort of feedback I like. Look at that. We've got 5,000 feedback, 100% positive. So that's the sort of thing I look for when I'm buying on eBay. Let's keep moving on though. Let's try and find something a little bit different. Year of the Ox. Look, £50 for a 1 ounce. Oh, here we go. This one looks cool. Titanic, 100-year anniversary. Look at that feedback. Look at the awful feedback rating. Only 58 feedback and 98% of it's positive. Let's go and have a look at his feedback. We've got 1 negative. Didn't dispatch, no intention to. So he's got 1 feedback. Should we give him a chance? Let's give him a chance. Look, he's got a lot of these coins, doesn't he? Look, yeah, he does sell a lot of precious metals. Let's give him a chance. Like I said, I don't recommend buying from people with this small feedback, especially when they've got a negative one in there as well. But this is just for kind of the purpose of this video. I'm just kind of buying different people quickly to see if it's authentic. Right, let's do a bid on this one. Place bid. How long have we got left? 9 hours, so quite a while on this one. Let's go 29. Highest bidder. Right, we're going to leave it there and I'll report back which of these ones I've bidded on today, which other ones we've won. So we already know that we've won one of them. Oh, it says 2 in the basket. Oh, that's my Groot. I saw a Groot on the Stat Collector's video in the background. I think he had like a Groot plant pot, I think it was, with like a plant in it. It looked really, really cool. So I've copied him and I've gone out and I've found 2 Groots, Funko Pop ones. £7.50 is not bad, is it, for 2? So there we go, we've got that coin so far. Right, so I'll report back in the next video if we won the other coins. This is going to be today's video done because my phone's about to die. As always, thanks very much for all the support. I hope you enjoyed this video, something a little bit different. And as always, I hope you have a nice day.